Good morning, students. I hope you are all finished up to 5 sums what we taught in the last class. Now we will move on to the 6th sum. I will read the question. Find the rational numbers for the point marked on the number line. Here a number line is given. A point is marked here. You can see here the question mark now. This number we have to find what rational number will come here. Exercise 1.1 6th sum first subdivision. A number line is given. In that number line they ask a question mark. We want to find what a rational number will come in this question mark. First of all we have to see the where the question mark it lies. It lies between the rational number lies between -3 and 4. So it lies between -3 and -4. First thing we have to see that only. This question mark lies between -3 and -4. Therefore now we can write it from the number line. So first we have to write it in the mixed fraction. Right, -3. It's a negative sign, so for -3. How many parts it's divided? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts divided. We put 3 in the denominator. Which position that question mark is given? First, second position. So this is the rational number. It's in the mixed form. Convert this into improper form. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. So minus 11 by 3 is the rational number where the question mark is given. So how will you write? You draw a number line. -1, -2, -3, -4. You put the same thing. Here in this question mark place you put -11 by 3. Got it? This is the question mark they asked. So in the question mark place it comes -11 by 3. Now we'll go to the second subdivision. Second subdivision also a number line is given. It's -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to divide it into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see the question here in this book. This is the second subdivision. It lies between -1 and 0. The question mark is in the 1, 2, second position. So the same thing we also put the question mark here. Got it? Yeah. We'll see what is the rational number will come here. Since it lies between 0 and -1, we no need to do it in the previous method. We can write down. You just check how many parts the 0 and -1 is divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Therefore the rational number is rational number on the number line. On the number line is, so first you count how many equal parts there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you should write it in the denominator 5. Numerator count from 0, 1, 2. Since it's going to the left side, you have to put the negative sign, -1 and 2. -2 by 5 is the rational number lies between 0 and -1. In this question mark you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this question mark it will comes -2 by 5. Got it? Yeah, we'll see the third subdivision. We'll see the question now. This is the third subdivision. Look at the question. It is lying between 1 and 2. The same thing, we will draw it in the note. Like the same way you draw it in the note. 0, 1, 2. It is lying between 1 and 2. So how many equal parts are there? You can just count it out. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts are there. Question marks will be here. They are given here. So we are going to find what is the number, rational number will lie here. Therefore, here it only for lies near to 0, we can write straight away. If it is going beyond the 0 or more than 1, we have to do it in the first method only. The rational number lies between 1 and 2. Got it? Why we are writing now? We can write the first smallest number is 1. That you have to write it in the we are going to write it in the form of mixed fraction. So write the smallest number 1. Count how many equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Put it in the denominator. Count from 1. How many? Which position the question mark is lies? 1, 2, 3. Third position will the question mark will rise. So we will get a mixed fraction, thus 1 3 by 4. Convert this 1 3 by 4 into improper. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 7 by 4. So in that question mark it will come 7 by 4. Draw a number line. Put 0 1 2 4 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 equal parts. In this position you write 7 by 4. Got it? Now we will see the next question, that is 7th question. Using average, write 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. So using average, that is by formula method, you consider a number line. There is a 2 rational number is given, like considered as A and B. How will you find in between C? For this, C is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2, that is half into A plus B. This is the formula for using average method. So if you want exactly middle number for any 2 rational number, this is the formula. Using this formula only, we are going to find 3 rational numbers between A and B. For our sum, it is 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. So you consider A is equal to 14 by 5 and B is equal to 16 by 3. In order to find the middle number for A and B, that is 14 by 5 and 16 by 3, you consider that is a C, half into 14 by 5 plus 16 by 3. In your previous classes, you might have added 2 fractions. The same method only, here also we are going to add 2 fractions. We put 1 by 2. Take LCM for 5 and 3. LCM for 5 and 3. Both are prime numbers. Just you multiply. 5 3s are 15. How many times 5 will become 15? 3 times. Multiply same 3 in the numerator also. 4 3s are 12. 3 plus how many times 3 will become 15? Yeah, 5 times. Multiply 5 with the numerator. Like this only you have to add two fractions. You might have learned in your previous classes how to add two fractions and all. If you don't know, I will tell you. Take LCM for 5 and 3. The LCM for 5 and 3 is 15. So 5 will become 15. How many times it will become 15? 3. 5 3s are 15. So same 3 you multiply here also 14. 14 3s are 42. Here how many times 3 will become 15? 3 5 times. So same 5 you multiply in the 16, you will get 80. So if you add the both, you will get 1 by 2 into 122 by 15. If you add this, you cancel it, you will get 61 by 15. This is the value between A and B. For your pictorial representation, for the number line, if 16 by 3 comes here, 14 by 5 comes here, the 61 by 15 exactly will lies here. 61 by 15. Like the same way, we are going to find two more numbers, rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 61 by 15. Here comes, you consider as E and this as F. You can take any variable, just I am taking of A, B, C, D and you take it as D, E. That will be easy. D and E. Are you able to understand? First we found a exactly middle number between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. You get 61 by 15. Now we are going to find exactly middle number between 14 by 5 and 61 by 15, that is D. And again we are going to find 61 by 15, 16 by 3, exactly middle number E. So we will see how to find D. D, same formula only, 1 by 2 into 14 by 5 plus 61 by 15. No need to draw this diagram at all, only it's enough to write the sum. 1 by 2, LCM for 15 and 5 is, if you don't know, to put like this, 5 tables, 1 time, 3 times, 3 5s are 15. For the year also, the LCM is 15. How many times 3 will become 5 will become 15? You already know, that is nothing but 42 times plus 61. What is 42 plus 61? Yes, 103, I think so. Yes, 103 by 15. So which is equal to 103 by 30. That is 2 into 15 is 30. This is nothing but D. D lies between 14 by 5 and 61 by 15. That is D. Same way we are going to find E also. E is equal to 1 by 2 into, where is E lies between 61 by 15 and 16 by 3. So you have to write 61 by 15 plus 16 by 3. 1 by 2 into, for this also the LCM is 15, 61. The 16 you already found here. What is the, how many times 3 will become 15? 5 times. 5 if you multiply with 16 you will get 80. Now add the both, 61 plus 80. 1 by 2 into 141. So 141 divided by 15. This is nothing but, if you multiply 2 into 15 you will get 141 by 30. So we found 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. I will write all this in a number line. You just check it out. Our 14 is here. 14 by 5. and you write 16 by 3 here. So first step we found exactly middle number between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. We get that is D, 61 by 15. You write it here, 61 by 15. Wait a minute. 61 by 15. The next step we found exactly middle number between 14 by 5 and 61 by 15. Call this as D, that is nothing but 103 by 30. You write 103 by 30 here. 103 by 30. Next we found exactly middle number between 61 by 5, 16 by 3 by using the average method. Average method is nothing but you have to add the both number and divide it by 2. That formula we know already, that is C is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B. We got the answer is 141 by 30. So that is also exactly middle number between 61 by 15 and 16 by 3. This is 141 by 30. So therefore the three numbers, they ask 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3 are 103 by 30, 61 by 15, 141 by 30. Are you able to understand? Thank you, students. We'll see in the next class.